Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to buy fractional shares on Charles Schwab. Instead of buying a full share of stock, you can purchase a fractional share, also called a slice of stock, meaning you can invest in part of a share for as little as $5. So let's get started. First, log in to your Charles Schwab account. Click Trade from the main menu. Select Schwab Stock Slices. This is the feature that allows fractional investing. Browse through the list of available stocks and choose the companies you want to invest in. Click Continue once you've made your selections. Enter the amount you'd like to invest. Remember, you can start from just $5. Click Review your selection to double-check everything. Finally, tap Place Order to complete your purchase. And that's it! You've successfully bought fractional shares on Charles Schwab. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.